YouTube, what it do? This your boy, Slightly Illegal. I just installed my Purple Panda. So yeah, consider this test take 1. So I'm about to ride around before this weather gets crazier. And yeah, let's get it. Make sure anybody coming. I tried to do a video or short on how to install it, and I don't have like a dedicated video area, and the garage is too dark due to the weather. So yeah, I skipped that short out, but I'm sure there's plenty of videos that will teach you how to install a Purple Panda. But let's see. I posted a YouTube short about my meeting with the police department, and everybody was talking about my information being posted, which I really don't. I mean, I really don't care. I'm moving soon, so my address is going to change, and my phone number. If you could steal my identity based on the phone number, hey, shout out to you, bro. But yeah, if the audio's sounding good, let me know. Talk to me. I hate this light. It's insane. But anywho, how y'all been? That's my girlfriend. Look at that. But yeah, weather in Oklahoma is super bipolar. One day it's sunny, the next day it's raining, the day after that tornadoes. So yeah, to all my leader bike owners, you know the feeling. What's known ain't gotta be explained, baby. What's known ain't gotta be explained. Well, yeah, I'm sacrificing my body for this video because it's kind of cold. I mean, it's like, I guess mid-60s, but you know, if you're on a motorcycle, that mid-60s could be 50s real quick with this wind. So yeah, also want to shout out to all the subscribers. I set a 10 subscriber goal a couple weeks ago, and I'm definitely at 24, I believe, right now. So just want to thank y'all for the support. And yeah, if anybody lives in Oklahoma, preferably Oklahoma City, drop a comment, let me know. We can go link up for a ride. It's not the biggest city, so there's not that many events for us riders to link up. But yeah, let me know. Always down. Meet new faces, meet the subscribers. Yeah, just try to get on the highway, see how it sounds on the highway. Upcoming events in my life, I plan on moving next month to a 1-bedroom apartment, so I don't really know where I'm gonna keep the bike, but I guess that's my problem to figure out. So if the content slows down, that's probably why, because my bike will be in storage separated from where I'm living. So yeah, what else? I want to get a new bike or a new to me bike, but finances need to look at that first. But I've been looking at the ZX10s, the RSV4s. Yeah, thought about a new R1, but I have one already, so it makes no sense to have two, in my opinion. And yeah, if you wonder why I keep fixing my mirror, it's because when I got this bike shipped from England, they dropped it, or they didn't drop it. One of the straps came loose and it was leaning on the crate. So that's the story behind me forever adjusting my mirror. And you might ask, why don't I just buy a new mirror? It's a really good question, but I'm undecisive if I want to keep the two mirrors or just get the mirror deletes and buy two handlebar mirrors. If you're watching this video and you ride, drop in the description what you ride, how long you been riding. I'm trying to get to know some of my audience. I've been riding for, what is it, 2026? I got this bike in 2022, so I've been riding for 4 years now. This is my first bike, and for all those people out there that got something to say about it, I'm 6'1", 220. So yeah, I started on an R1, but I've ridden before that, just never owned a bike. So I already knew what I was doing, just never owned my own motorcycle. But yeah, like I said, I've been bike shopping, looking online. I went to Dallas a month or two ago. Shout out to Mint Motorcycles. They let me look around, sit on a couple bikes, start a couple bikes. So yeah, might hit the button this winter on a new bike. We'll see. But the plan will be get a new bike, put this bike in a shop. Only thing it needs is a fairing kit. I've been soliciting my subscribers to drop comments on what color we should do. Right now it's all white with black. Not bad, I'm trying to like lock in. But right now it's all white with a black gas tank, gold wrist sets. But I was thinking more of an all black with the gold wrist sets and the carbon accents. But I'm sure there's some more artistic people in the, my bad, I'm sure there's more artistic people out there that could provide better suggestions for a 2005 R1. So yeah, to make a long story short, I need y'all help making my bike look as good as it can be. Sorry that took a long time for me to get out, but yeah, there's going to be a, hold on, let me go to the highway. There's going to be a bike night. I think it's not March, I'm tripping. I think it's going to be May 8th. Supposedly Fastlane D and a bunch of other YouTubers going to show up, show out, bring all the toys out in Edmond, Oklahoma. So you know I gotta pop out, bring my project bike R1, but it's whatever, I gotta ride. So if you can make it, show up, show some support, show out, if you can't make it, you can watch the video on it. There'll be plenty. I'm gonna definitely post a video. So yeah, this wind is really kicking. But hey, it is what it is. Let's get through this traffic. Yeah, I be seeing those YouTube videos online, people riding through traffic, going crazy. I'm just letting y'all know right now, I'm not doing that shit. I'm not about to be clip farming at 180 to get some views. I love my life too much for that. I might speed every now and then, but if you want to see somebody go real fast on a motorcycle, you should go watch MotoGP. That's my stance on it. I just like riding motorcycles and meeting people. That's all. I treat it as my getaway then. I treat riding motorcycles as a getaway. Alright. I need to get over. Hey, I've been working on my downshifts, and I'm getting there. I'm getting there. For those that watched the last couple of videos, you know this already, but for those that new to the channel, welcome. But I got a 520 chain conversion put on the R1, and I can't lie, it be moving. It be moving. I think I need to get my speedometer adjusted, because there's no way. It just seems like I'm going slower than what the speedometer say, but it's whatever. It's whatever. You might be thinking, well, I'm not lane splitting, but one, that shit's really illegal, and two, these people in Oklahoma don't know how to drive, so I don't really want to risk breaking a leg or worse trying to lane split. So yeah, that's why I don't do it. I'm not in a super rush to get where I'm going, so I just wait in traffic like us regular folks, you know. The Dallas motorcycle meets, how they take over the whole city. We ain't got that here, but it's cool. Maybe I have to pop up one day, take the bike out to Texas. You live in Texas, drop a comment below. I can link up with you. Get some info on some meets, so I won't waste a 3-hour trip. But yeah, I'ma see y'all when I get to the house. Finally made it back after sitting in that grueling traffic. But yeah, now I can speak to my audience when I got the helmet on. Y'all don't have to sit, watch me ride in silence. So with that being said, thank y'all for watching the video. Setting the new subscriber goal to 50. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share the video. Stay safe out there. Ride gear or blooper. Red gear. And I'll see y'all on the road. See ya!